Welcome back to my channel. I'm Nukwilla Sarah, or Nurse Sarah with Native Nurses Rock, and today we're going to learn how to make a washable mask with a filter and nose clip. This mask uses ribbon or elastic that wraps around your head so it's safe on your ears. The CDC now recommends that we wear masks in public. Link is posted in the description box below. So let's get started. But first, go ahead, hit that button and subscribe to my channel. Now I want you to print off your pattern. The link is in the description box below. Then you're going to trace your pattern. You're going to trace all around, and that's going to be the front of your mask. And then you're going to trace from the smaller part, and that's going to be the back of your mask. You're going to cut it out. Now you'll have two pieces. This will be the front of your mask. And you're going to cut two pieces of your fabric out, and this will be the back of your mask. Now we're going to gather our supplies for our mask. We're going to get our fabric, and we're going to make sure our fabric's wrong sides facing each other. And then we're going to grab some interfacing, if you can find it, or this great product called Ollie Fun. You can usually find it at Walmart. And some kits come with this that you get from your hospitals or other things, have this sterilization wrap. You'll need some fusible heat bond for some of these products. You'll need pins. You'll need ribbon or elastic. And my ribbon here is 24 inches long. You'll need good fabric scissors. You'll need a sandwich tie or a pipe cleaner. Some people say a paper clip, but I think a paper clip would eventually break. But you'll need something for your nose clip, or you need some elastic. Clips. I love these clips. My friend Mary Bennett gave me those clips. I don't know where you find them. Now you're going to pin your pattern to your fabric. And remember, fabric is wrong sides facing each other. Then cut it out with good fabric scissors. Then you're going to cut out your filter. I have interfacing today, but you can use the Ollie Fun or, whatever other filter that, you've researched that has shown to be a good filter. You're going to press it inside. This is a fusible interfacing, so I just had to press it. I didn't have to use my spray. After we got our pieces together, we're going to sew matching pieces together, right sides facing each other with a 1/4 inch seam allowance. Now that we have our front and back pieces of our mask sewn together, we're going to use right sides facing each other, and we're going to sew them together. We're going to first sew down the pointed part of the mask. This is where our nose piece is going to go. We're going to sew the pieces down together using a 1/4 inch seam allowance. After we've sewn our seam, we're going to put in our metal clip. We can use a sandwich tie. We can use a pipe cleaner. What I did is I folded it in half just to kind of measure, and then I'm going to put that on the pointed part of the mask. And then you're going to fold your fabric back over to where wrong sides are facing each other. And then you're going to pin or clip your metal clip in place. So I used clips, and I'm going to clip it in place. And then I'm going to sew down, making a seam to protect my clip. After you have your seam made, then you're going to go ahead and flip your fabric back to right sides, facing each other. And then you're going to sew the remaining side down. Then you're going to flip your fabric of your mask back to right side out, or wrong sides facing each other. We're going to finish off the ends of our mask by closing off the ends. We're just going to fold it. You can press this if you like, but I just fold it down and then clip it. Then we're just going to sew both ends down. Now let's add ribbon to our mask. We're going to do this by using 24 inch strips of ribbon. and I'm going to pull it through with a safety pin. And once I have both of my ribbons pulled through, I'm going to tie the one end. I like tying the bottom end or the flat end piece of my mask. After I'm done tying it, I'm going to finish off my edges by just burning with a lighter. Now I'm going to show you how to put on the mask. You have your bottom end tied, and you're going to put your head through the bottom end, and this is going to keep your ribbon on. And then you're going to adjust your mask onto your face, pull your ribbon tight, and tie it to the back of your head. And voila! This mask is done. Now I'm going to show you how to add elastic. You're going to use a 1/4 inch or an 1/8 inch elastic, and you're going to use 22 to 24 inches long. Then we're going to use a safety pin, and we're going to pull our elastic through the sides just like we did with our elastic. After you have your elastic pulled through, you're just going to sew the two ends down together using a back stitch. And voila! You have a mask with elastic wraparound. Now I'm going to show you how to put the elastic on. You're going to grab both pieces of elastic and slip it over your head. And then you're going to position the mask onto your face, and you're going to pull the top elastic and pull it tight onto your head. And then you're just going to make sure your mask is secure onto your base. And voila, you're done. Thank you for watching my video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up. Be on the lookout for new content. Head over to the Instagram at @NuckNoelahSarah for daily content, and have a great day.